Today's tech tip, it's all about the filter. To get the best performance and longest life from your heating system, changing the filters on a regular basis is a must. All 1-inch thick filters should be replaced monthly. Filters that are wider than 2 inches thick or other high efficiency filters can be changed every other month or 6 times a year. Check to make sure that return grills and supply registers are not blocked by furniture or rugs.